Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download DaVinci Resolve video editor for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download DaVinci Resolve video editor for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Blackmagic Designs, since that's the developer of DaVinci Resolve. So on their website is where we can download the app. So to go to their website, just search for blackmagicdesigns.com on your search bar. Make sure to enter it correctly in order to be directed to their website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download DaVinci Resolve on this website, first, I want you to go to the support section at the top. And once you're on the support section, next, I want you to search for DaVinci Resolve right here. And after searching, just scroll down and then you will now be able to see different versions of DaVinci Video Editor right here, so just select whatever you like. Although I recommend you to choose the latest version since it usually includes new features, updates, and bug fixes for a better experience. And once you've decided what version to download, just select your device right here to download the app. And after clicking it, this will appear on your screen, so before they allow you to download this app, you will need to fill up this information right here first, such as your name, address, and phone number, so just fill it up. And right here, you just need to enter your company name, but if you are not part of any company, then just fill it as NA. And then here, you just need to enter what you intend to do with the app you will download. So for this, you can just say that you will use the app for video editing. And once you're done filling up the form, you can now click the download button. And after clicking it, the zip file for DaVinci Resolve will now start downloading. This zip file will contain the installation file for the app, so just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, just double-click the file to open it. And after that, you will now be directed to your File Explorer and you will see the installation file for the app right here. But before you can install the app, you will need to extract this zip file first, so just click the extract button right here. And after that, you can now extract the file. But before you click the extract button, I want you to make sure that this option is checked or enabled, since this ensures that once the file is extracted, you will be directed to the extracted version of your folder automatically, so you won't need to waste your time finding the extracted version of the file again. And once you're sure that you've enabled it, you can now click the extract button. And then the extraction process will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you will then be directed to the extracted version, so you can now click the installation file of the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup, so just click the install button. And right here, you just need to agree to their terms policy, so just check this box and then click next. Then right here, your system will show you the location where the installation file of DaVinci will be saved. If you want to change it, just click the change button and set it to the folder where you want to save it, but if you're already fine with the location, just click next to proceed. And finally, you can now click the install button. And then the app will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your DaVinci Resolve video editor, so you can now use it to edit your high-quality videos. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.